Hello, beloved. Welcome to Adult Sabbath School. I believe these 13 weeks past, you've studied and you've grown in your experience with Christ. We are going to usher ourselves into another quarter, and God has a message for us. Have you written a letter before? What was the purpose for writing the letter? What did you communicate in that letter? Who did you write to? I believe all of us have written letters before. Today, with social media, we hardly write letters, but they are still relevant. This quarter, we are going to study about a gentleman who wrote letters. He is Paul. He wrote letters to certain churches. And this quarter, we are going to study about 1st and 2nd Corinthians. These were letters written by Paul to the churches in Corinth. He had a message for them. He wanted to communicate to them. Corinth was a big city. It was a commercial city. And as any city that is boosting with economy and resources, it comes with a lot of challenges. I know you are living in a city, and city life is challenging. There are many things that are happening in the cities. And as a Christian, how can you protect yourself when you live in the city? This was a similar situation that the church in Corinth found itself. Paul could not visit them every time, so he had to communicate with them, and he wrote letters to them. The same way, we are also living in a city, and this city brings up its challenges. We are going to study about Corinth and the church in Corinth. What was their unique situation? What were the challenges that the church in Corinth was facing? Paul, upon hearing some of the issues in Corinth, decided to write to them, communicate to them, and let them know that they have to stand true to their Christian values. Ladies and gentlemen, as we usher ourselves into this quarter, we are going to study about Christ. We are going to study about the issues in the churches in Corinth that Paul spoke about. What was the admonitions that he gave to the church? Are they relevant for us today? I believe that you are also facing some peculiar challenges in your church. And the book of Corinthians is going to communicate to you in a very special way. So why don't you come on this journey with us? These 13 weeks that are ahead of us, the book of 1st and 2nd Corinthians is going to be our case study. We are going to study how we can navigate our Christian values in a busy city and how we can stand firm and true to our faith as we await the second coming of Christ. I know you are not going to absent yourself. Stay glued to your set, stay glued to your Sabbath school, and journey with us these 13 weeks. And I believe God is going to bless you. So these 13 weeks, join me and my panelists as we discuss the book of Corinthians. And I know you are going to be a blessing. Stay tuned.